Hello, happy people. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are working on the 60 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard motor, and we are going to be replacing the thermostat and the gasket that is right here. So without further ado, let's dive right in. All right, so this project is really simple. You just need the new thermostat, a gasket. I can put a link in the description below where I bought these, and a 10mm socket. So the first thing you're gonna do is pop these two bolts off. All right, now that we have the bolts off, let's go ahead and pull the cover off. And this one is going to be a little stiff. There we go. Oh yeah, all right, there's the cover. Grab the gasket and peel that off. Simple as that. Wipe some of that water away. Okay, there we go. Now this is trash, don't need that. And the thermostat itself just pulls out like that. And you can see it's not actually that bad, but it's definitely gonna be replaced with this new one. So let's go ahead and cut this new one out. And you can see the difference between the old and the new. You're really looking to see if the springs are damaged at all or corrosion. This one's still working just fine, but we are going to put the new one in there. Just sits on there as such, like that. Take the new thermostat and just slide it in there like that. And replace the cover. And that is all there is to replacing the thermostat on your 40, 50, or 60 horsepower Mercury outboard.